Hi everyone, my name is Anna Maria Young and I work in the Office of Teaching, Learning, and Technology, and I'd like to welcome you to the Becker College community. And today I'm going to walk you through how to sign into your Canvas portal. Canvas is our learning management system. It's where all of your academics and announcements that are associated with academic affairs will be posted. There'll also be things like when are finals, when the campus is closed because of snow. You'll find those messages there. And also some cool things that are associated with your major. So once you have gotten your credentials from IT, you will navigate to the credentials are your username and password, by the way. Once you have those, you go to becker.edu, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there you'll find some helpful quick links. The sixth choice down in the quick links menu is the student portal. When you click on the student portal, you'll be navigated to a new page. This is already signed in, so if you don't have your username and password, please contact helpdesk@becker.edu, or if you're having difficulty with your password, the same email address, send them a message, helpdesk@becker.edu. Be sure to include any useful information for them, such as your name, how to contact you if your Becker email is not working. About a third of the way down, you'll notice that there are these daily tools on this page, and there's Canvas. It's your first choice. Click on Canvas and you'll be navigated to a new page called the Canvas Dashboard. The Canvas Dashboard is where you're going to find all of the courses that you are enrolled in for the fall. Once the courses are published, you'll see these great little Monopoly card sort of icons. It'll give you the name of the course. Every new student is enrolled in this ACAD 0102 online 2020 fall digital learning orientation. There you'll find all the necessary information that you need to be successful in your use of Canvas. But if you decide that you don't want to use the student portal to sign into Canvas, which you don't need to re-enter your login information if you do it that way, you can log into Canvas directly by inputting this web address, canvas.becker.edu. There you'll input your username, which is everything on your email address except for the @mymail.becker.edu, and the same password, and you'll be able to log into Canvas. Canvas also has a really useful student app that you can put on your mobile device. If you have any questions, please join myself or one of my colleagues from the TLT every Monday starting in June for a live session via Zoom to discuss how to use your Canvas portal. I hope you have a wonderful day and look forward to seeing you in the fall.